Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, the place where wheels meet honest reviews. Today, we're diving into something massive, powerful, and incredibly luxurious on the road. The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. This isn't just a truck turned RV. This is a full-blown luxury apartment on 18 wheels, wrapped in chrome, comfort, and capability. At first glance, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 still holds that signature aerodynamic design that's made it a staple in long-haul trucking. But don't let the traditional semi-truck look fool you. This beast has been reimagined and customized into a high-end motorhome that turns highways into home. Under the hood, you'll find a heavy-duty 15-liter Cummins X15 diesel engine, delivering close to 565 horsepower and 2,050 pound-feet of torque. That means it's not only built for comfort, but it has the power to tow pretty much anything, from a car hauler to a boat, even another trailer. Smooth power delivery, incredible torque, and exceptional durability. This is the kind of setup RV enthusiasts and road warriors dream about. Now let's talk interior, because this is where the T2000 Motorhome really earns its crown. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a fully customized living space. We're talking high-end hardwood floors, leather recliners, LED ambient lighting, and even a fireplace. Yes, a fireplace inside a truck cab. The living area features a full entertainment system, surround sound, and a large smart TV that folds out above the windshield. The kitchenette is more than just functional. It's gourmet level, with granite countertops, a stainless steel double-door refrigerator, microwave, induction cooktop, and plenty of storage. And the bedroom? A full queen-size bed with memory, foam mattress, overhead storage, reading lights, and blackout shades. You also get a private bathroom with a full standing shower, premium fixtures, and surprisingly good water pressure thanks to the upgraded plumbing system. This isn't your average RV, it's a luxury condo on wheels. On the tech side, Kenworth has integrated smart control panels that let you monitor and control lighting, HVAC, water systems, and generator usage from your phone or the built-in touchscreen hub. Solar panels on the roof help keep your batteries charged when you're off-grid. And yes, there's even Starlink internet compatibility for those working remotely. Driving the T2000 Motorhome is smoother than you'd expect for a rig of this size. Thanks to advanced suspension, a quiet cab, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, maneuvering this giant feels more like piloting a high-end coach than a commercial semi-truck. Fuel economy isn't exactly Prius level, but for its size and power, it's impressive. Expect around 7 to 8 miles per gallon, depending on your load and terrain. That might not sound like much, but in the world of Class 8 motorhomes, that's solid performance. So, what's the catch? Well, price. A fully built 2025 Kenworth T2000 motorhome conversion like this can run anywhere from $350,000 to over $500,000, depending on your customizations. But for those who want to live life on the road without sacrificing space, luxury, or durability, it's worth every penny. Final thoughts? The 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome isn't for your average weekend camper. It's for serious travelers, full-timers, and those who see the highway as their home. If you're looking for something that offers unmatched power, space, and luxury, this might just be the ultimate motorhome. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What would you add to your dream motorhome? Until next time, drive safe, live free.